everybody, welcome to day 9 of 25 Christmas cookies from around the world with the cookbook kitchen. And today we are cooking from the Joy of Cookies cookbook that I borrowed from the Internet Archive. Yes, Internet Archive. I borrowed the book from there, and that's the book that we are going to use today. We are trying DOCCI BOJAI. The book says this cookie has 3 layers: a crunchy walnut studded base topped with a layer of raspberry jam, then some chocolate meringue on top. Today we have a couple of things. We have ingredients for the cookie dough and we have ingredients for the meringue. So let me show you which is which so that we can begin cooking. For our cookie base, we have some all-purpose flour, we have some walnuts, some cinnamon, some salt, and some vanilla. I have some butter, some sugar, and some seedless raspberry jam. For the meringue, we have some egg whites, cream of tartar, sugar, unsweetened chocolate, and some walnuts. We'll start by combining our flour, our nuts, cinnamon and salt. Then we mix this, put it aside. So in this bowl, we are going to mix our butter, some sugar, and some vanilla. We need it to be light and fluffy. The next thing is adding our flour mixture. The recipe says we add half a cup at a time, blending. Now the recipe uses a 15 by 10 inch pan. Mine is a 14.5 by 11, so I hope this will work. So we are supposed to pour our flour mixture over here. Now the next thing, it's our jam. You're supposed to spread it over the dough. Look at that! Look at that! It looks so nice. Now we set this aside. Now we come to our meringue topping. Just a pinch of salt, some cream of tartar, now we are going to add the sugar. So let's go 1 tablespoon at a time. So we will fold the walnuts inside our meringue mixture gently. And our chocolate. So we are going to spoon the meringue over the jam. The last thing before we put it in the oven is to sprinkle some more walnuts on top. So I will bake it for 5 minutes, then I'll remove it from the oven. I will show you what we'll do next. So let me bake it for 5 minutes first. We are back 5 minutes later. Now we are going to slightly score the surface of the meringue. The book says that we can cut 8 strips one way and 5 strips the other way. That. Okay, I hope I'm doing this recipe justice. Then now we are going to bake it for around 20 to 30 minutes. Christmas cookie is ready. Now the recipe says that we just need to cut it along the places that we cut.
Side